Cause the girl them want them fuck them know for reach me girl. Pon the phone just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come. For you to the fates, I ain't hear the voice. Yo! You don't know say a Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. And today we have Q2T, local Shotta. You don't know the ICT boys them and go and body though. You don't know say Chapo and Screamer forward out with best friend and walk on brother, what's up Jenna? Me in need of a whap, that's a brand new map. Put on the side with a wet top. If he trips, ching that fella, can't get sent. None like letter. But yeah, you see me? So, oh yeah, and the plugged in with Q2T and Chapo, sick. So you don't know, we're ready for listen to this. You don't know a Cogency music channel in the link below, gaming channel in the description below. I'm my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, new music forward by weekend. You don't know me, I leave the preview to the freestyle of this. You see me? Forward, I could jump straight tonight.
Listen, Older got hit the other day, and the man them got grabbed for it.
Okay.
So imagine, these men went to like some shipping container thing.
Man, them said movie settings, bro. I seen that nigga in something before, bro. What am I seeing me now? A Top Boy? Probably. Or something. I see him in some UK movie before, though, definitely.
The bro got hit, yeah.
Sweet thing, though.
Yo.
Sweet thing.
Walk on, where are you? Why are you taking so long? Hurry up, man.
Aggressive.
Alright, we need to bounce,
Man just dead here, Bill. Man, the girl dead here, wait. Hear the beat. Yeah. SP. Dog, the beat sick already. Fuck you know. What the boy them a try?
Christmas, I'm rapping the box, jump out 2 hands, that's Jack in the box. I show you about Jack in the box.
Christmas, I'm rapping a box. Jack in a box. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Christmas, I'm rapping the box, jump out 2 hands, that's Jack in the box. I show you about Jack in the box. I just took an L, now I'm jacking a lot. And you know I stay trapping a lot, when the S1 stay chatting a lot. I might sound like the local fox, and I'm turning up if I hear about drops. 3 bricks in my passy, I don't do chatty, got asked about trappy. I done top 5 like Tally, and you can ask that's what I do in my bassy. I still wanna slide like Toosey. Q1 in the 2-piece, told me she bad like Boosie. You don't wanna know what I do in this 2CR. You can ask that's what I do in my bassy. I still wanna slide like Toosey. Q1 in the 2-piece, told me she bad like Boosie. You don't wanna know what I do in this 2CR. Twinning, sliding round with 2 BRs. I'm still putting white in raps like Potter. They know me, I'm the local Shotta. When I'm talking reason, I'm still putting white in raps like Potter. They know me, I'm the local Shotta. When I'm talking reason, I'm talking free. So if it ain't that, don't bother. Can't see paper. Bro, so he's done with a drip. Might take him a trip and buy some acre. When it's demon time, that's Cali, my smoking raid, no chaser. Excuse me. Hello, I can't fall in love like Enno. I like me a Calmo 1 and bro like similar little chocolate Brenner. She wanna do dates in West, but I told her nah, I got beefing. And I got beefing. So when I cut G, gotta hold my blicky. Silly, he got more pity. Can we love screen off trigger like titty? She love my jeans, Billy, telling me she wants something, no hickey. I don't know about them, but I know about us. My blood's cut wet like Philly. A to C and Cling, I don't know about F when I'm cutting Lizzie. They know me, I'm the local Shotta. When I'm talking B's, I'm talking free. So if it ain't that, don't bother. Who can't see paper? Bro, so he's done with a drip. Might take him a trip and buy some acre. When it's demon time, that's Cali, my smoking raid, no chaser.
No, we don't want a third verse. No. Well, fuck it, man. I'm taking the last verse again. I don't care if you're vexed. I don't give a fuck if you're vexed.
So if it ain't that, don't bother. Who can't see paper? Bro, so he's done with a drip. Might take him a trip and buy some acre. When it's demon time, that's Cali, my smoking raid, no chaser. Excuse me. Hello, I can't fall in love like Enno. I like me a caramel one and bro like send me a little chocolate bueno. She wanna do dates in West, but I told her nah, I got beefing.
And I got beef in Killy.
So when I cut you, gotta hold my blicky. Silly, he got for a pity. She love scream, love trigger like titty. She love my jeans, Billy, telling me she wants something, me no hickey. I don't know about them, but I know about us. My block's cut wet like Philly. A to C in Kling, I don't know about F when I'm cutting Lizzie. They know me, I'm the local Shotta. When I'm talking B's, I'm talking free. So if it ain't that, don't bother. Real crime scene taper. Bro said he's done with a drip, might take him a trip and buy some acre. When it's demon time, that's Cali, my smoke and brain, no chaser.
Yes. Nah, but now like mood, I love our third verse for this dog. You see me? But yeah, it's a sweet one. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah, man. Q2T. Well done. The only thing we just need one more verse, bro. Just one more verse. It just feel too shy. Even though it's 2 minutes, 50 odd, I'm still want one more verse, dog. You see me? But that's just me, dog, being spoiled. You understand? Cause the man sick. You understand? But you don't know Q2T, local Shotta. You understand? I don't know a Cogency on a Cogency Reacts channel. Instagram, music, and gaming channel in the link below. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to them channel there. May I leave a preview to my freestyle at the end of this. And you don't know, say a Cogency, and I'm out, you motherfuckers. Peace. Stay, I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bull, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend